Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, dear distinguished guests, good morning. So my name is Morgan, so I'm the global CEO of SKAI. Sorry, I cannot speak very good Korean, so but next time maybe I can speak more the Korean language. So today I come here to give this presentation is to explain how our AI solution works. And this maybe, I think, is always the question from most of the people. So AI is very hot recently, but why SKAI월드와이드 can be the one that can to run our AI solutions and become the top tier companies of the industry? So I try to answer this question from two aspects. One is our business thinking together with our innovation of our business model. And the second one is to introduce a little bit about our technologies behind our solutions. So I think, to me, the most important thing to run an AI solution is to fulfill the needs of the client needs. So because we do the commercial video productions, the most important thing when we talk with most of our clients, I think they all talk about the one word, it's called real. It's because only we present the product in a realism that the client and customers can be inspired by this content and can make the purchase. So this is super important. So that's why we think what we do is need to empower the brand content via the Gen AI technologies. So I think this also the reason why we would like to choose AI agent as our business model. It's because we see that actually AI had already bring a very big potential in the world. So we see millions of the different AI applications worldwide. But when we talk with the people, especially someone from the companies who run the business would like to use the AI tools, it always comes with some the pain point from these people is. So on the left side, they will see this is exactly the questions they want to solve. For example, I want a very nice product post, right? I want someone to recommend a suitable computer for me. I don't think the product's slogan appeals to me at all. How would this dress feel on my site? So this is exactly very detailed questions. But if you want to use the AI technology to answer these questions, firstly, you need to select from the maybe also millions of the different AI, the tools, we call the SaaS tools, or the apps, to find a suitable one and to understand how to use these apps and try to solve these questions. But actually, I think this is even more difficult to the people because in the past, based on my expertise, I don't use these tools, I can answer these questions. But now I have to learn more. I have to learn different AI technologies. I have to understand the technology behind and select the right one and to solve these questions. This is even difficult. I think maybe you all have the same feeling when different AI apps pop up. We will always feel very struggle. Which one will be the best one? So that's why we think our solution is we need to bring a bridge between the actual needs from whatever the client or from the internal business department of a company, and together with the fundamental AI technologies, we need to bring this bridge and make everything automations. Means you just give the input and came with output, and everything is we call all-in-one package. So that's why we define our AI solution is called AI1. Okay. So AI1, we choose AI1 as the AI agent model. So I explain a little bit about what is AI agent. So here, this is the development of how the working model between the human with the AI. So at the very beginning, we know everything is manual. So the people will set up the target, and they will complete few tasks and review and adjust and have the final to finish the final task. So when the AI came out, especially we make an example like ChatGPT, I think everyone uses ChatGPT now. This is what we call the co-pilot models. It means the human with AI will co-work together. The people just need to set up a target, and with the help of the different AI tools, they will try to finish the few tasks, and the people will do the review and adjustment, and you have the result. So this is, I think, past 2 years when the ChatGPT came out, everyone used this one, and we were very familiar with the co-pilot models. But now we try to build our own AI agent model. Actually, AI agent is very hot, especially from this year. For most of the big players like Google, like Meta, they also launched their AI agent. But why we do our very different? It's because we do vertical. We built our AI agent focus on the content generations for commercial content generations. But the logic is like the same. The people will just set up the goal, and you just need to review the result. It means you give the input. Every task will be selected, and the thinking behind will be done by the AI, and it will select this target and choose the right tools and try to control the different process. And the people can do the monitors, and we can have the final result. And just people just to say, okay, I want to accept it, or I don't like it. So this is a very automation rules. Yeah. So this is AI1, our business model. So here I make the demonstration about our recently we will launch our AI1 platform. So we make this demonstration to explain how it works. So everything just started with a URL. Actually, it could be a product detail page of the brand website. Okay, just input this one. You don't need to do anything. We start to generate. So our AI will start to analysis this website, and you will see I split these tools into different steps, just let you understand how AI made the decisions. So firstly, they will select from the website to get information, whatever this is, the context or the image or the videos. And then we will do the re-edit. So these jobs will be done by our AI tools. So make from a flat image, go to with a motion G for 3 seconds, select the right template, adjust the precision, the resize, and have different clip and make the auto clip together. So this is just a demonstration. So you will very soon see the final result. So every clip you will see, we will do the motion for 3 seconds with a very good the rationale of the motion of different image with the people, high resolutions, and the motion of these lotions like the real one. You will see different clip. We will do different jobs. Yeah. So everything is automation. In this tools, everything is automations. Then you will see the final videos. So with our tools, you can image. You just put the a URL of the product detail page. Then we can automatically came out with these short form videos. I think as explained by Jay, short form videos will give a very big benefit. So use our tools. I can see we will see that we not just generate this one, and we can do it automation, and even we can have the interface with the brand systems. Means we can continually to generate different content automatically. Means we have a very big revolution about your existing brand experiences on your e-commerce or even the social channels. Yeah, you have a more diversified content. And also, I think very important thing, we always say the human first. I think because the people will still fear about when the AI will really replace the people, right? But I can tell you no, because even when we do the training of our AI, the most important thing is we're not just with our technical people. We are also together with a lot of the creative guys, very sensitive guys. So you will see on the left part, this is the assets when we select for our AI trainings. So we not just select from the open data, from the public resources. We will monitor and also review by our internal team, by our creative and the visual team to select the right concept and right content to do the training to ensure the result and also the tonality of our general result is really meet the standard of the brand. So this is very unique. We do select our AI, but we also select different content, but not just use the public content to the training. So you will see whatever the format, and also you will see the style of our general result have a very high quality and very tasty. Okay, so let's just summarize. So we will very soon launch our AI platform. We targeted launching the Jan of 2025. And I think the key reason to select AI1, which is listed here, is firstly, we call it very high productivity because everything is in automations, because time is money, right? And also very high quality because we always ensure that only realism is the answer. and also with a low cost, because everything is automation. So it means you just give the input and we can give you a result. And this is really very help to the business of the brand. So we do SaaS model, but also we do the customized enterprise solutions. So it means we have a very customized API, the capabilities to have the integration with different the brand internal systems, like your product information management system, content management system, digital assets management system, to link it with your website, with your social channels. Everything's automations. Okay, just finish a little part, the first part of my presentation, but this is just the start of our AI agent solutions. So AI was good, but I don't think this is our final target. So here I make an example of the tech limitation about AI generation result. On the left side, you will see this is currently the AI generation result of the video generation. The technology is based on diffusion models. We start with one flat image and let AI to run for 2 to 3 seconds. On left side, we select the mainstream, the AI generation, the model, fundamental model, like runway, stable diffusion, like Picard, like these tools. Then you will see after 2 to 3 seconds on left side, they totally change. They change another watch, the dragon change, something become very strange. This is all because when we use existing technologies, everything, the training is based on 2D image. The AI cannot understand the real world because we live in a 3D environment. The AI cannot understand real world. So after they make some the motions, you will see they change a little bit. But on the right side, you will see this is our AI result. You can see after run for 3 to 5 seconds, whatever the motion of the product, and with some special element like this dragon, everything is very makes sense, with very high quality. So why we can achieve that? It's because I think we are on the very right way to select a technical road, which is the spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence means we need to create a virtual 3D environment, like the real world. We let AI to learn the real world, to understand the real world, to understand the physical logic of the real world. So after we give the enough training based on the 3D data assets to train our AI models, then our AI can really understand. If they generate the video, that the AI can understand, okay, this is a watch, and this is a dragon, and this is the script we decide what would like to this element want to achieve. Then only based on the 3D the data we give the training, then the AI can understand these things. So we call this as a spatial intelligence. So we would like to also upgrade from the AI1 to AIR1, because AI1 is not, all-in-one is not enough. All-in-real one is the answer. Yeah. So this is our target, and we will launch also in some in the first half of next year. We will upgrade to this version. And also, why us? Why SKAI can achieve that? I think also I have two answers. Firstly, is we work with NVIDIA, and also we choose NVIDIA's Omniverse, the platform, as our fundamental training the architectures. So this is the open source, the fundamental, the training structures that can set up a virtual 3D real world that just input different training data. Based on the NVIDIA solutions, we can have a better training about our 3D assets. So this we choose this one as our training framework. And also another thing very important when you do the AI training, everything is talk about the data. So only you have the very good quality and very big quantity of the data, so you can train very good AI models. And this is actually why we can do this one. It's firstly, from the quantity perspective, I think we own the world-class high-quality 3D assets library with more than 800,000 high-precision models for different category. Like when we work with this luxury brand, I think we have almost the biggest, the 3D models of watches in the world, and also the jewelries and the shoes and the bags, accessories, 3D devices. We have a huge the library of this the 3D models. And also about the quality is we're almost like the industry number one, the resolution about our 3D scanning technologies, And also we develop our own digital model, the texture, which is really different from other agencies when they do the 3D modelings. So everything is with the high quality data. So we also, I think from the quality wise, we're also the world class, we own this library. Okay, so based on these two aspects, so you will see what we can achieve for our AI R1, the 3 agent. On the left side, you will see this is just input of the product. Based on the real product, we can very quickly to create the 3D model. You can see very high quality from different angles to see the movement of the items. And based on this high quality 3D models, our 3D agent can create, based on the human creativity, we can add different kind of script, different creative. We can make these videos. So this is actually the works we did in past few months. We did a lot of jobs with a lot of the good brand, created a lot of the nice videos. It's because we do this technology. We choose the right path and choose the right technologies. Okay, so this is almost the introduction about technologies. Okay, I would like to end with my presentation with a sentence is, I think we run because we believe. And we believe then we can fly. So let's together fly with AI. Thank you.